as parents, connect the rules with your child dreams. Connect the rules with your child dreams. Okay, like don't simply say because I said do. Array, what their dreams? Array, do you want to? Array, now show what about your dream? Papa, I want to buy Bugatti car. I want Bugatti. Oh, wonderful, man. Wonderful, wonderful. Wow, excellent. But to buy, what things is required? Money is required. How you are going to earn the money? I will do the job and I will buy. Excellent. You will do the job and so on. To get the job, what thing must be required? You should have proper qualification and you should have good marks. Then only you will get the job, right? To get proper qualification, to get good marks, what you required to do? What you required to do? Study. Study. If possible, Bugatti car photo, better to take and stitch in the house. We are going to buy. Now she is going to buy. Okay, this Bugatti car very soon. Like better to keep in front of him. Everything connect with Bugatti. Automatically the things are going to work out. Okay, next. As a parent, with respect to the kids, you require to do this type of identify their dreams. Everyone having their dreams, man. Everyone. My baby girl, 1.5 year baby girl. Hey, shall we go down? Yeah. There is a play area is there. We are staying at 9th floor. She's very happy if we get down and play sometime, spend some time in the play area. Okay, we will go. Just eat this food. Eat this food. Yeah, happily she's going to eat. If you want to go there. Are 1.5 year baby girl, man. If you require this, do this. If you require this, do this. Because you know, you require this one, I know. Okay, like why don't you apply? Just to visualize. Fish, what required?
Earthworms.
Earthworm is required. We have to carry that. Okay, then only fish is going to come. Cow required what? Grass. Cow required grass. Show the grass near its mouth and it's keep on coming. Like apply such type of techniques with the people also. Of course, in positive way. Don't use in negative way. Don't think about yourself. Always think about opposite person. Your kid, your wife, or your husband, your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, or otherwise your parents, your boss, your lead, your colleague. Always think about, list out these members, what their desires. Can I do something to fulfill their desire? Think about that. Then obviously your works are going to be happen in smooth way.